Welcome to Joyful Aging. In this episode, we'll talk about something truly joyful. We'll explore how hobbies and creativity can help seniors overcome depression. As people age, they sometimes lose the roles that once gave their life meaning. Roles like work, parenting, or community leadership often fade away. This loss can lead to feelings of emptiness, boredom, or even hopelessness. But hobbies and creative activities can reignite a sense of purpose and joy. A hobby is not just something to pass the time. It's a powerful way to heal emotionally. When we engage in creative activities, our brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical that increases our motivation and happiness. Even simple activities can trigger this feeling of accomplishment. Activities such as drawing, knitting, gardening, or singing are perfect examples. Creative activities also help focus the mind. They reduce anxiety and stress by placing the brain in a flow state. In this flow state, time disappears, and only the present moment matters. For seniors experiencing depression, hobbies can provide a safe space. They can offer a mental escape from feelings of sadness or loneliness. Let's look at a few examples of hobbies that have helped many older adults rediscover happiness. Painting or coloring is a peaceful way to express feelings without words. Music is another powerful hobby that helps seniors reconnect with joyful memories. Whether singing, playing instruments, or listening to familiar tunes, music lifts the spirit. Gardening is nurturing life, giving seniors a deep sense of connection and purpose. Writing, such as journaling or writing letters, brings emotional clarity and calm. Crafting activities like knitting, quilting, or making decorations by hand offer a sense of accomplishment. Cooking or baking, especially when shared with loved ones, can renew joy and connections. Dancing combines movement and music, creating a joyful experience that uplifts both body and mind. Engaging in hobbies also improves cognitive health. Studies show that seniors who regularly participate in creative activities experience lower rates of memory loss and depression. It's important to remember that creativity isn't about skill or talent. Creativity is about expression, exploration, and emotion. There's no right or wrong way to create something meaningful. For seniors living alone, joining a hobby group or online community can offer social connections. Caregivers can support seniors by introducing simple, enjoyable activities at home. Remember, the goal of these activities isn't productivity, but emotional nourishment. If you're feeling down, try something creative, even for just 10 minutes. Color a picture, sing your favorite song, or write a short note. Let your hands and heart reconnect with joy. You are never too old to begin something new, and you are never too late to feel happiness again. Thank you for joining us at Joyful Aging. In our next episode, we'll explore how nutrition and diet affect senior mental health. Please subscribe for more gentle, healing content made just for you.